So let's go through some of the terms that we went through last week, right? First one is AR, I mean relative atomic mass. So in short, we just write AR. Distance. What's relative atomic mass? All you have to do is to look at your periodic table. So in the periodic table, there are two numbers. You got a big number and a small number. Look at the big number. Now, why I say big number? Because there is a newer version of this periodic table. What you see here is the older version. I will tell you what's the difference. The difference is the numbers are reversed. That means the big number put on top, small number put at the bottom. AR, when they ask for AR, right, it's just the big number. That means how heavy it is. And the reason why it's called relative atomic mass is because, first of all, there's no SI unit. So it's relative to 1/12 of the mass of a carbon atom. Do you understand this part? That means they take carbon. Let's weigh everything relative to carbon, the thing that they compare against. But they don't want 12, because if they use 12, right, all the numbers will be decimal. And we're going to cut carbon into 12 parts. Yeah, and then we measure every atom compared to 1/12 of a carbon. This part a lot of people confused. They're like, what? Why must cut into 12? Okay, they cut so that it's convenient. If not, you're going to get decimal. All of them will be decimal. Right? So they say, no, we don't have decimal. 1/12 of a carbon atom, so chop into 12. Okay? So because of that, we got this nicely arranged periodic table where all the numbers are relative to 1/12 of a carbon atom. So that's called the AR. Then the other term that we learn is MR. So what is MR? MR happens to be relative molecular mass. All you have to do is to take the AR of the individual atom, just add them together, then you get MR.